Hey, this is Case and Vogel with Broad Arrow Auctions and Haggerty Marketplace. Today we're in this 63 Corvette Resto Mod. We're gonna go for a quick spin. I encourage you to take a look at the build history on this car. This is not your average 63 Corvette. This was built for actually driving. You've got an LS7 under the hood, a Tremec 5-speed, half a cage in the back. So let's go for a spin and see what this thing's all about. Clutch isn't too stiff, but you can feel this is it's a little bit heavier. Not quite a race car, but definitely makes it feel like one. Oh yeah, and it's torquey. Much like a race car, you could hear the sticky tires pick up all the little stones and throw them into the wheel wells there when you're going around a U-turn, or a little turnaround area like we are now. Yeah, this is a car that I can see why the builder had gotten it out and actually done some autocrossing with it. It handles really nicely. But you still, in the interior, what you'll see is it actually maintains that 63 Corvette feel. Put a wooden wheel on this thing, and apart from the half cage behind you, you wouldn't really know that it was a resto mod. And this thing has got a lot of power, but it doesn't feel like it's going to kill you. You can feel, I felt the rear wheel skip just a little bit there when I was accelerating, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna bite you and get out from underneath you. It's well planted on the road. One thing I would say is you probably wanna adjust the steering wheel just a little bit. It's seeming like it's sitting a little off kilter here, but overall, I can't really knock much about this car. It's absolutely phenomenal. I've gotten more thumbs up in this car than I have in most exotics that I've driven around town. Almost impossible to not see a 63 Corvette, especially one with big old tires and a wide track like this car, and not smile. And this car feels, like I said, very, very usable.